In this video, we will review how to submit a new case to uAssist. Prior to submitting your case, we advise that you have your patient records available to upload. This will include your STL files, patient photos, and x-rays. Once you are logged into the cloud, you can select Add New Patient on the right-hand side. Fill out the required fields and select Add Patient. You will now choose whether to categorize your case as an aligner or retainer. Keep in mind that you have the full functionality of the software when choosing an aligner option, but are limited to no movement when choosing a retainer. Patient records. Now we will import the patient records. We recommend saving all of your files in one location to easily drag and drop when ready. Select Next. Photos and x-rays. Once you drag and drop, you will select the AI sort icon and it will organize your files. Now you can select Next. The dental chart is where you have the ability to identify specific information regarding a tooth. You can left-click on any tooth and it will show you a library of options. Once you are done, you can select Next. uAssist prescription. Fill out the prescription page and select the desired SmartRx template to apply to this particular case. Any additional notes will be added to the last section of the page. This is a great opportunity to customize the ask for your desired treatment plan. Select Next. Summary. This gives you the ability to review all of the information one final time prior to submitting to the uAssist team. So let's submit to uAssist. Congratulations, you have now submitted your first uAssist case on the cloud and you can close your case.